Hi, Jim Solik with Penofin, the world's finest finish. What we're going to show you on this video is how simple and easy it is to use the Penofin Pro-Tech Cleaner in cleaning your deck. It's a pretty simple process. What you want to do is mix the product into a garden sprayer, but first, before you do that, I want to show you a couple of simple little steps. What you want to do, because the product is biodegradable, doesn't have any VOCs, you just want to wet the perimeter. Make sure that all your vegetation is just hosed down. It's a pretty simple process. Okay, so that's simple right there. Then your next step is you want to take our cleaner, and the product itself is a hydrogenated crystal. The standard is to mix approximately 1 cup, you can go up to 2 cups of cleaner, into a gallon of water. The next step is an important step. When you're cleaning your wood surface, you want to make sure that your surface is wet. And then we'll apply the cleaner. You'll see just by the video here that there's a little white buildup. That tells you that you have enough cleaner in your mix and the cleaning process is going to start. With a nylon brush or a broom, just agitate the surface ever so slightly, work the product in, let it do its thing. We have a little bird stain here, and so if you take the product, you see right here, you can agitate it and get rid of that bird stain. You could do this for any area where you might have heavy grease, grime, mold, or mildew. Now that we're done with this small section of the deck, what we're going to do is we're going to wet down the rest of the deck, we're going to apply the cleaner, and we're going to agitate it. We've just finished cleaning the deck, we've agitated it, and now we're going to wait 15 minutes. One important point that we want to cover is that on a warm day, you'll notice right down here on the wood, you'll see that it's starting to dry out. The one thing that you want to make sure is you don't let the product completely dry on the surface. So if you'll hit the water there, so what you just want to make sure is that you just keep the product slightly misted. So where there's a dry surface, just keep it moist during that 15-minute time period. Now that we've finished hosing the cleaner off the deck, you can let the wood dry for 24 to 48 hours until the wood is dry to touch, and then you're ready to apply your Penofin stain to complete the project. Or you want to brighten up the deck, you can apply the brightener, which we'll cover in the next video.